Hola! Bienvenido a España! Good morning, Timon.
Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen. All our bags are packed and we are ready to Arriba again. So they rented a taxi going to Rotterdam Airport, which is only 37 minutes away from our place. And look, the first snowfall here in the Netherlands. Yay! Silly! Seems like we are not ready for the winter season here in the Netherlands. So, bye for now, my lovely city of Rotterdam. And look who's excited! So, this flight is approximately 4 hours and 45 minutes. Ayan si Sir, sinisipag lang mag-asat.
Ginagawa mo!
Just like that.
We're not here yet. It's just a stop. We need to travel more.
We're halfway there. Bienvenido a España! So we are on our way now to our hotel, traveling by bus, approximately 30 to 1 hour kasi marami ding mga passengers to drop off to their hotels. December is a good time to visit Tenerife because of its warm weather. Temperatures can get as high as 26 degrees Celsius even over Christmas. Thank you so much, Mother and Father, for bringing me here. Cheers! We finally arrived in our hotel and thank you for the privilege. Oh, finally, makarest na, and this is our view. Look at this, oh my god. We left home at 5 a.m., 5:20. And now we just arrived here in Tenerife in our hotel at 4 p.m. Oh my gosh. So when we arrived in our hotel, nag-relax lang kami konti and voila! Tada! Dinner time ulit! And mother is always eating healthy food unlike me. Yum! Then after dinner, nag-walkathon kami konti sa labas and then back to the hotel. Surprisingly, may mga pa-performance level pala dito sa hotel na to. O yan, si Hi Katy Perry!
It's today our first day of the holiday. And someone is very tired. And it's not me.
And it's absolutely not her.
And it's also not
She is
her.
the strongest.
But she is very tired. She only wants to go to bed.
No.
Yes.
Of course not.
Señora. Señora.
Senyora, not senyor. Dahil pagoda na nga si ate mo, girl. So, good night. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Hello, good morning. It's our first morning here in Tenerife in our hotel with Mother. Yeah. Another day to Arriba. So first, let's have some breakfast. Look what they have here. Wow, may pa-honeycomb, ang mga fersan, yummers. And of course, ganitong mag-breakfast ang mga tao dito sa Spain. Cava, anyone, parang champagne lang din siya. It's similar to champagne. I don't know how to explain. Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to paradise. Let's arriba! Arriba, arriba! Sikat na sikat ang araw mga besh. Ito na, simula na ng pagbababad ng balat natin. Hello, ka-arriba! For today's video, let's arriba and just walking by the seashore. Welcome to Espanya!